Welcome to NetSuite's SuiteSuccess demonstration for restaurants. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to improve inventory management and tracking using NetSuite. I'm going to assume the role of back-of-house manager. Here's a look at my dashboard. As you can see, this dashboard contains key financial metrics specific to the back-of-house manager: KPIs, reminders for actions I need to take, shortcuts to key functional areas, and charts for trend monitoring. Now let's take a look at an item in NetSuite. I'm going to use the global search feature to find an item for this demonstration. In NetSuite, menu items are comprised of recipes, sub-recipes, and ingredients. To demonstrate, let's drill down into the beef burger menu item. If I look at the recipe components, I can see ingredients like onions and tomatoes and sub-recipes like our prepped burger patty. If I click the sub-recipe, I can again see ingredients and more sub-recipes. Now let's look at salt. This is the lowest level. Notice how the costing method can be set on the item record. For this ingredient, we have the FIFO, or first in, first out, inventory costing method selected. There are a few things to highlight on this item. First, notice the units of measure. NetSuite supports multiple units of measure for your items by allowing you to control the units and conversion factors along with defaults for transaction types. If we look at the Purchasing Inventory tab, we'll see inventory data for this item across all locations. We can define our locations and establish sub-locations. For instance, you may have a restaurant but define sub-locations for tracking inventory in your walk-in, dry storage, and/or hotline areas. You'll also see that you can look at inventory by on hand, on order, available, or in transit. There are also reorder points and preferred stock levels per location. These are your PAR values, which you can manually maintain or let NetSuite calculate for you. All of this data across all items and locations is in one single source. And because this is linked to the menu item, when the burger is sold at one of your restaurants, the transaction flows through NetSuite and will automatically reduce the inventory for all its ingredients for that location. One other area to highlight on this screen are the cycle count fields. NetSuite supports cycle counts to ensure that you are frequently managing counts and updating your actual inventory. NetSuite offers the ability to perform transfer orders when one location needs to borrow inventory from another. Once saved, a transfer order will be created or a single-step transfer will be generated to initiate the transfer of inventory between locations. Finally, let's take a look at some key alerts and reports. If I return to my dashboard, you'll see standard reminders, but you can also create your own. Items to order and items with low stock are just two examples. Selecting items to order will allow me to quickly create purchase orders. Selecting items with low stock will give me visibility into items I need to keep an eye on. NetSuite also provides a number of inventory reports, each of which is customizable. Let's take a look at the Inventory Profitability Report. Because we're tracking all cost detail and revenue detail in a single system, we can quickly pull profitability. If I want to see this by restaurant, I can simply select a column option. Another crucial KPI is cost of goods percentage. With this data presented at the sub-account level on the dashboard, I can effectively adjust and manage my purchasing and operational decisions. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.